Here we got Jamie getting ready to snorkel. He looks kind of cold. We'll see what he can do. There he goes. Oh, I lost him.
Much better over on the other side.
On that side? Oh, okay.
Lots more fish over there. Like,
any coral at all?
what?
Any coral at all?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah, it's lots of reef over there.
Oh, wow.
Probably 20 different kinds of fish over there on that side.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we saw probably about maybe like 7 or so earlier.